recording? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to Canada and Beyond. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are taking you on a new adventure and you all gonna love it. First of all, it's a little bit windy because behind me is the Atlantic Ocean, Boctouche Bay behind me. And today we are in Boctouche Dunes, Dunes or Le Dunes de Boctouche. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, give a big thumbs up to this video because in this channel we always talk to you about all new kind of immigration going on, how you can move to Canada. Plus we show you how life is beautiful in Canada through our vlog. So make sure you subscribe, comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, follow us on Instagram, Jihan-Osman, like our Facebook channel, do all of that.
Okay, that's it. You are making them go away from our channel. Anyway guys, let's go Boctouche.
We're gonna show you how beautiful this city is. This city has so many French speakers. This is the Acadian of the nouveau-brunswick. I think the whole Canada lives here, most of them who speaks French. And honestly, why not? It's a beautiful place and I'll show you around. So let's get started.
So we are here in Boctouche by the beach having a perfect, nice sunny day. And it's really beautiful here. The feeling is mixed because it's cold at the same time, but it's warm as well. Our feet are warm.
Yeah.
Because the sand is really warm and nice, but the air is really cold. However, we are enjoying it because the ambience, the beauty of this place is just remarkable. Just want to give a little bit information about Boctouche. Boctouche is about 2 hours away from St. John where we live, and it's going towards up north. So it's nearby Moncton. So from Moncton, it's only 30-35 minutes away. So this place is not only for immigrants, but we want Canadians who are in Atlantic Canada or anywhere in Canada. They should definitely come here, visit this place. It may not give you the feeling of Miami.
We have been to Miami and we spent a week there, but trust me, this place gave us almost the same vibe because the sand here is nice, crystal sandy beach, and you know there is nice waves and you know like there's so many seashell all over. You can collect them. It's just so beautiful. I think it's so fun to be here.
All right, so let's go discover some more of Boctouche.
is such a beautiful, the Boctouche Downs. It's just magnificent. They have a campground, they have all kind of stuff. It's absolutely worth a day trip or a camping weekend for you guys to come and check it out and enjoy the view, enjoy the sandy beach. They have accessible barbecue, they have accessible, who need like a wheelchair or something like that.
We are planning to come back here again in July, so stay tuned for that. Right now it's the beginning of the season, so all the tourist and attractive places are not fully open. So we were a little bit early birds, but
Yeah.
we didn't get the worms.
This is more of a discovery trip, you know, just to kind of see what we are getting into. But I'm going to book like 2 nights camping in their campground, and we'll see how it's gonna be. Yeah, so like Osman said, we didn't get any worms. That was disgusting. So with that being said, make sure, I hope you really liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you actually been to this beautiful part of New Brunswick, and stay tuned for our next video.